Are you tired of constantly having to recharge your vape device? Look no further than the theENERGY Disposable Vape, with a whopping 5,000 puffs in one device. That's right, you heard it correctly. 5,000 puffs in one device. That's enough to last you for weeks, if not months. And don't think you're sacrificing flavor for convenience. The theENERGY Disposable Vape comes in a variety of delicious flavors, including strawberry, watermelon, and blueberry. Plus, the theENERGY Disposable Vape is perfect for sharing with friends. No need to worry about passing around a device with low battery life. With the theENERGY Disposable Vape, everyone can enjoy their own 5,000 puffs. And the best part, the theENERGY Disposable Vape is easy to use and comes ready to use right out of the box. Simply open the package, remove the device, and start puffing away. So why wait? Get your hands on the theENERGY Disposable Vape today and experience the convenience and flavor.